video, I'm going to show you how you can make money through tech. You can just review phones, review gadgets, review any product that requires that it's sorry guys, that is technology. Get me? Anything that's technology, AI, something that is in the market. You can talk about. You record video. You can also maybe rent a phone, record the video, talk about the video, talk about the thing you maybe you rented. Maybe if you're broke, you don't have money to talk about something, then you post it on YouTube, you get millions of views. Just do it for content. I mean, content, you get views. It's not easy. You need to grind. You need to upload a bunch of videos. Keep the and consistent, and you build the momentum. Build it. You build it. You build it. You build it. You build it. Then that is how you get the views, bro. Because are you not tired of your mommy complaining that she's tired of working? How do you feel? How do your conscience tell, what does your conscience tell you in your body? How do you feel? Don't you feel disgusted by yourself that a grown-up boy can't retire his mother and he can't even set his life? His life is scattered. He's a drug addict. He smokes. He parties. He go out with friends. How do you feel? Don't you feel empty? Don't you feel empty? So, bro, you just let me stop blabbing. Let me just teach you how you can make money. Let me teach you how to fish. So, bro, just go to the link in description. You go to the link in description. If you want to learn how to fish, you go to the second link in description. That is the real words. That will teach you how to make money. If this strategy you don't like it, bro, if this iPhone 15, for example, or the gadgets, you don't write latest gadgets, latest gadgets. I'm going to give you ideas of videos you can be doing, creating. First, of course, you use Canva, OpenShot, iMovie, all those platforms to edit videos. You can do something like this, or you can pay someone. Even you don't need to record yourself. You can pay someone on Upwork to give you. Upwork is a site I've explained to you in different videos. Upwork, you go to Upwork, you write tech videos. Give me tech videos. They'll create the tech videos for you. You post it on YouTube. It costs like $30, $40, 30, 40, $50. Nothing, not more than that. Shouldn't be more than that. Don't spend more than that. Then you post it. You get views like this. Just have the ideas. You get views, 100,000 views, 13,000 views, 144,000 views. These people are making money. They are making money. So I told you before that we're in the era of technology. So you need to take this thing seriously. See views. You know a guy called Marcus Brownlee. Marcus Brownlee, that guy is stinkingly rich because he up on it on time. Back then in 2010, 2009, something like that. Yeah. So he's the one of the number one tech guy. So he makes bags, stack them up, bro. Makes crazy money, and he started on his bedroom, bro. Literally. So you can't to do something like that. But if you don't have the strength, you don't have the passion, you can hire somebody to post the videos for you. You go to Upwork, look for people that do tech. Obviously, you sign up and all. They'll help you. Just have the money. You get me? If you do one video a week, it's something. Slow motion is better than no motion. So, bro, if you want to be rich, go to the link in my description, as I said before. If you want to learn more, if you want to go deep to learn more, and you want to be financially free, and if you want to know what people don't know, go to the link in my description. Trust me, I promise you, bro, you'll be grateful for the rest of your life. So, take action now. Do as I'm speaking now, go to the link in the description. As for me, I'm out.